good looking. Right there.
He's terrible looking.
Ouch.
Now watch.
Get out.
I'd really like to see this. Now watch. Whizzer situation. Whizzer situation. Whizzer situation. Now watch. I've got 1, 2, and 3. Now look at this lock right here. Are you? Oh, sorry. From here. I'm locking this right there. I'm going to pull him right. Boom. Post right on the face. And I have myself a ball. Did you see that, Cole?
Yeah.
What's your status?
Walking stick.
Excellent. Watch. Name. Tick. Watch this. As I remove.
Place.
Status.
Gladiator,
Scorpion.
Scorpion, yeah.
You are now Black Widow Spider.
Wait, that's the...
Wait, hold zip it!
I'm
Here.
poisonous now, so...
Yeah, you're poisonous, but so's the Gladiator Scorpion. Pull him in front. Collapse him right on his face, and I can hold it right here. Did you guys see that? Slow it down.
No.
Seatbelt situation, Whizzer. I come up and I lock right there, right at the shoulder. Lock it fast and tight. Pull him in front, seal it off for the fall. Questions, as promised. Challenge number 1. The fruking, frogging, fracking, fracking, fruking, frogging, fracking, fracking, frogging, fragger. Now, if I see anybody attempt this dangerous, deadly challenge without first qualifying to do it, we're going right to conditioning. I'm going right to conditioning. We're going to do push-ups, sit-ups, 6 inches for the rest of the time. In order to do this challenge, you must first come up in front of the studio audience, demonstrate the wrestling technique correctly. After you do that, then and only then are you able to do the frugging, frogging, fracking, fracking, frugging, frogging, fracking, fracking, frugging, frogging.
Can I try?
Watch, hold it. Okay. No one can try it. I have to show you first. Hammer fist, post. Now look, I have held this for weeks at a time in meditation. You don't have to do the hammer fist. The only reason I do the hammer fist is because I was in a battle with Superman. After I pinned him, he tweaked my wrist a little bit. You guys can do it this way, all right? Hold it for longer than 5 seconds. Instant upgradation. Break the world and Olympic record of 20 seconds. Double upgradation. Hold it, guys. We're not doing it until I see that first, what I show you, the lock.
No, let the best person.
I want to see you guys do this lock. One more time off the lock. Watch it.
Let the most flexible.
Watch this. What's your situation? Bam! Remove, replace, lock. Right here at the shoulder. Pull him in front. Now be careful with that one, because that one is deadly. Ready and go.